Hi, Steve, WichitaFix.com. What we're doing today is putting that hardwood floor. This is hardwood flooring, and it's not the snap and click. This is the type you need to use a pneumatic nailer. I'm going to go outside, get my cut, come back in and place this piece. Here's a good little tip. I just went out, measured this, cut this board off of this piece. I'll take this board, set it in here, and now this can be the starter for this end. So you always want to remember your scrap can really be used at the other side of the room as a starter piece.
Just like any hardwood floor, you want to make sure you stagger your joints. It makes for a better look, strengthens the floor, reduces squeaks. This particular floor here is called a solid surface floor. It's 3/4 inch solid boards. You could actually refinish this floor if you want to, up to 2 times. And it just looks better as you go.